Welcome back to our data analysis video series for IGCSE ICT. My name is still Siphelele. So today we are going to be looking at the most important part of our video series. Okay, but before we look at printing, I just want us to look at how we insert the headers and footers in Microsoft Excel. It's a little bit different from what we are used to, which is Microsoft Word, maybe in PowerPoint. So it's a little bit different from that. So we are going to be inserting in Microsoft, maybe in Microsoft Word, we will click insert, and then we'll insert the header and footer. As you can see here, there's no header and footer anywhere. So where do we click in? Where do we go in Microsoft Excel? So in Microsoft Excel, we click the page layout tab. So we click the page layout tab, and then we click this dialog launcher in the page setup. We click this dialog launcher in the page setup. So this dialog launcher is where our video will be based today, because even the printing part, we usually use this part. Okay, so here is the header and footer. Then I can click custom header. Okay, so the header is divided into three sections: the left, the right, and the center. So here I want to insert some text. Okay, can format the text by clicking this A over here. Okay, maybe I can insert the page number, or maybe to state how many pages does it have. Can also insert, okay, let's just insert today's date here. Okay, maybe here, and then insert the time, and then maybe here I can insert what? Okay, let's insert the file path. So the file path, when I click the file path, it will show me the file path and also the file name. Okay, then I click OK. Okay, maybe on the footer, maybe I can write asset 511. Maybe that is my center number, and then my candidate number 0001. Okay, then in the right section, okay, maybe I can, okay, maybe let's just put this one in the right section, 001 0001 as my candidate number, and click OK. So I can now print preview what I've just done here, so that you can see that here is my header. My header now appears like this, and then here is my footer. Okay, that is my footer. Okay, let's go back here now. So as you can see, we can now change the orientation here. Okay, I clicked okay, this is the home tab, and then I went to page layout. Then I click this dialog launcher here. So in this dialog launcher, I can change the orientation. To be a landscape. Okay, can also change the margins if I'm asked to do so. Okay, can change the header and footer as well. This is where I inserted the header and footer, and then maybe now here are the other things that I can change in my printout. Okay, so I can print this in black and white, showing the grid lines, and when I'm told to show the row and column headings, I can check row and column headings. Rows and column headings is just the column letters and the row numbers. So it's just the column letters and the row numbers. Those are the row and column headings. So when I check here, it means when I print. Okay, let's click OK. Okay, click OK, go file, then print. This means when I print out my spreadsheet here, okay, let's wait for the preview. Yeah, this is the preview. As you can see in my preview, now the column headings appear and the row numbers also appear. Okay, so I can now, maybe let's say I was told to print showing formulas. I was told to print showing my formulas. Okay, I will click the formulas tab and then click show formulas. Then I click show formulas. Okay, as you can see that my formulas are not showing here. Some of the data is hidden in my formulas. Okay, in my formulae. So I need to resize my cell so that everything appears. Okay, maybe I can just select everything here to the end and then maybe double click one here, so it will just show everything. All my formulas will be shown. So as you can see, they are all visible. All my formulas are now visible. So when I print this out, file, print, okay, file and print. Okay, let's wait for my computer. My computer is a little bit slow, trying to find some printers which are not available. As you can see, the print preview here. Okay, my printout has 7 pages actually, because there are so many formulas that I have to print out here. Okay, usually you are asked to print everything in one page. You are asked to print everything in one page. So I can change the orientation to landscape here or portrait, the page size to A4 or any page size here. Okay, the margins, can also change the margins here, and then I can change these columns to fit on one page, meaning everything will now be printed on one page. As you see in this preview, it's page 1 of 1. So every column of my data will be printed in one page. Okay, maybe in this one it's not gonna be that clear, so we can also print the data that we've selected only. Okay, maybe let's say we select this data here up until here. Okay, maybe let's say we just want to select this section here. So when I go file, print, okay, let's wait for it to check for the printout. Okay, so when I click now here at the beginning, print selection, want to print only what I've selected. As you can notice here, it's still one page of 1 because I've selected print selection. It will only print what I have selected only. Then you can click the print button, whatever settings that you have been given to print. So that's how we print on Microsoft Excel. So in the next few videos, we'll be trying to solve some of the past examination papers that came. We'll start in descending order. Maybe we'll start with the 2020 papers, 2019, and so on. So we'll just look at some of the past examination papers in Microsoft Excel. But for now, we are done with this video series. So we'll be doing a lot of practice so that maybe you can be able to master Microsoft Excel. Just see how the questions are set in the examination and how you can handle them as a learner. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this series. So I will be creating these videos, so please keep subscribing to this channel, and please click the notification bell so that you will be notified as I upload more videos for other applications such as Microsoft Access and maybe PowerPoint. Thank you very much for watching. Have a lovely day.